In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload HTML file folder project into GitHub. We'll walk through a simple, browser-only workflow using GitHub and the built-in web editor so you can get your HTML file, a full folder, or an entire project online without installing anything locally. To start, I like to keep a reference window open for quick notes or text I might reuse later, so open a new tab with your favorite assistant or note tool. If you've saved a link to your repository there, follow it to your GitHub repo now. On your repositories page, locate the Code button. Click it, and from the options, choose to open the project in the web editor. This launches a VS Code-like experience right in your browser at GitHub.dev, which is perfect for quick uploads and edits. The first time you open it, you might be prompted to complete a brief setup. Go ahead and finish that so the editor can load your workspace correctly. Once the editor opens, look at the Explorer panel on the left. This shows your repository's files and folders. If you need to rename a file or folder to match what you're uploading, like changing a placeholder file to indexed HTML, right-click the item, choose Rename, type the new name, and press Enter to confirm. Consistent naming helps later if you use GitHub Pages, which looks for an index.html by default. To add your HTML files or an entire project folder, simply drag and drop them from your computer into the Explorer. The editor will create those files in your repository. Click your main HTML file to open it in the editor and give it a quick review. If you're pasting in code, make sure your tags are closed properly. For example, that any script tags include their closing counterpart. Then save your changes. Next, commit your work so it's recorded in the repository. Open the source control view. Enter a clear commit message describing what you added, something like add initial HTML project files, and commit. If you see a prompt to publish or sync the changes, click it to push everything back to GitHub. That action is what finalizes the upload and makes your files appear in the repo on the website. A few quick tips as you finish up. Keep your file and folder names lowercase with no spaces for fewer path issues, and include an index at the project root if you plan to host it later. If your upload is large, give the web editor a moment to process all files before committing. And if drag and drop